Trustage Life Insurance Review 2024 Best Term Life Insurance Policies Affordable Rates. The surprising truth about life insurance is that many people overpay simply because they don't understand their options. Trustage aims to simplify coverage, but does it really offer affordable value in 2024? Trustage Life Insurance is known for offering straightforward term and whole life policies, often marketed through credit unions. Term life policies provide coverage for a set number of years, making them popular for families and working adults. One major advantage is accessibility. Trustage often requires no medical exam for certain policies, making approval faster and easier. This is especially helpful for people who want coverage quickly. Another pro is simplicity. Policies are easy to understand, with clear pricing and fewer upsells. The surprising truth is that clarity matters more than complexity when choosing life insurance. However, you won't believe what happens next if you compare rates closely. Trustage premiums can be higher than fully underwritten policies for healthy individuals. Coverage limits may also be lower. In conclusion, Trustage is best for people who value convenience and fast approval. If affordability and ease matter more than customization, it's a solid option in 2024.